Find the slope and y-intercept and sketch the graph. So the graph is 3x plus 2y equals 8. Now if we need to find the slope and y-intercept, the easiest way to do this is to solve for y so that we can get it in y equals mx plus b form. When it's in this form, we can see the slope, which is the number in front of x, and the y-intercept, which is the constant term to the side. So let's go ahead and solve this for y. Let's subtract 3x from each side. So that cancels. We'll have 2y equals, I'm going to have the negative 3x first, and then plus 8. So that works to rearrange it, just keep the sign in front of the term. And then we divide 2. We have to divide each term by 2. So we get y equals negative 3 halves x plus 4. Okay, so we've got it in y equals mx plus b in slope-intercept form. So now we can see the slope. It's the number in front of x. So it's that negative 3 halves. The y-intercept is 4. And if you want, we can write it as an ordered pair. We know 0 is always the x value in the y-intercept. So 0, 4. And then we can graph it. So first we graph the y-intercept at 0, 4. Next, we're going to use our slope, negative 3 halves, to find the next point. So we can go down 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2. We could also choose to go up 3 over 2, but just make sure you go one direction negative. You don't want to go both directions negative, but you could go 1, 2, 3 over 2. And notice that still makes a line because we're going, on that one, it's like we're going positive 3, negative 2. Okay? And then that will be the line, just like that. Reach out if that one's not making sense.